So then, this is another film of this Spitfire model kit I bought. Actually came with the last film I showed with the full Thunderbird and the Mickey D car and the Hot Wheels ones. This rubber band powered Spitfire plane kit, well, it's I think made in China or somewhere, but I do like the box. This is what drew me to it, the box. To have the box, you know, there you go. Rubber band powered Spitfire plane kit. Takes less than 10 minutes to assemble, but provides hours of flying fun. Well, that's what you might think. I'll take this out of here so you can have a look at what you get. Okay. Now I did buy one of these plane kits before from a local supermarket, but it was nothing like this. It had just the wings, the fuselage, elastic band, propeller and landing gear, but it was not quite as good as this. And I'll be showing a video on the end of this film of how exactly that would not fly. So, but this one's good. Look, there's the wings, okay, and the tail fin and the tail plane. It's made of light polystyrene. Instruction leaflet, which I never had with the other one. And this back here has the fuselage there, which is quite nice. Propeller, landing gear in there. Extra elastic rubber bands, which I never had before. There's actually 3 in there altogether. And these sticky parts you can stick on to make the wings more rigid, which is quite good. Here we have the instructions. Look, I'll show you this. Here we go. Instructions, you see. Tells you how to put it together there. And here it says how to adjust the plane so it flies the way you want it to fly, which the other one never had. I think it's pretty good. I think it's a whole lot better than the other one, the Lagoon Group. On the other side we have more. It tells you, there you go, how you can make it fly in different directions, how you can adjust the rudder. The other plane I have that you will see flying or not flying at the end of this video, it didn't have an adjustable rudder. It was just otherwise go up or down, but never in any direction. There's the rest of the instructions. Look, it's pretty good, I think. I'll hang on to this for a while and then I'll give it away. I'm thinking of giving it to T-Cat because he's into military and the Second World War, and he has a garden and he can probably fly it in there. Which would be, I'd like to see him flying. I'd like to see him build it and fly it. That's what I would like to see him do. So, there you go. It's made by a company called Lagoon. I think it's China. I cannot be 100%. But yeah, there you go. So after this short video here, I'll be adding a couple of videos onto this. One of me trying to fly a similar plane but not as good as this in Hyde Park, and also a piece of a drone. I had a drone, I gave it away There you go. So next time, something else. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye! What's new winding it first? This is only winding the plane. See how crap it is in a minute. I didn't even get it. I couldn't even see where it was.
Right.
It's just rubbish.
Yeah, it's just not working, is it? It's just not doing it.
Try throwing it into the wind rather than sort of...
The wind's that way.
Yeah.
There's no way that's going to go 300 metres.
Oh, I can't see it. It might do indoors. If I threw it inside the Albert Hall, it might go a really long way.
Is that where Hitler's ball is?
That's Hitler's ball is there, yeah. In the Albert Hall.
Yeah.
Right in it.
Yeah.
Let's get a picture of the pilot. Pilot there. And he's smiling.
Yeah.
He's laughing as well. I think it's a bit ominous when you think about it.
Yeah.
I'll throw it that way.
Okay.
I'll get back a bit. Was that good?
Really?
No, it wasn't really, was it? I think we'll give up with this, shall we?
I honestly don't think it's ever going to work. It's never going to fly, is it?
No.
Yeah.
No. And then I end up back where I started.
Listen, you want to know a secret? German pacemates.
Yeah.
Not very monsters. Mersey beat. Early 60s.
God, I've lost it now. Terrible.
Yeah, lovely airplane, isn't she? Airplane.
Yeah.
Doug told me should. Leslie Nielsen.
Yeah. Clang.
Whoops. Christ.
Oh no.